Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create broadcast in WhatsApp Bot Builder. If you want to send message to a large group of people, you can do this using the broadcast feature which we have in WhatsApp Bot Builder. Simply, you need to take a spreadsheet. If you go to here in the contact, you would see here we have the option to import contacts. You can download the template. If you have a large group of customers or leads, you can edit all those data in this template, and then you can click here to upload. Once you have those contacts uploaded in your contacts, you can come here in the broadcast and click here on this button, create new broadcast, to create a new broadcast. But before we go and create one, let me tell you, a broadcast is nothing but a way to send a message to multiple people at once. Think of it like sending message to a large group, but it reaches each person individually, so they don't see the other recipients. Broadcasts are useful when you want to share important information or updates with many users at the same time, like notifying them to the new product, specific promotions, weekend sale, or any sort of upcoming events with your business. It saves a lot of time, and helps keep your communication more efficient. So the most important thing to consider when you are sending a broadcast is the size of the audience you are targeting and the delay between sending messages to each contact. So how do you create a broadcast here? To create a new broadcast, what you can do, you can come here, type the broadcast name. So let's say I'm going to choose Valentine's Day 2024 as the name of this broadcast. Then you need to choose the flow. Let's say I'm going to choose, in this case, test flow. Then important feature, what we have here is the delay. Why it is important? Because if you send a message to, let's say, 100, 200, or 500 people every second, WhatsApp will notice and think, wait a minute, who can send message to 500 people every second? It's not humanly possible, and you risk getting your number banned. Therefore, it's crucial to set a reasonable delay between contacts, let's say 20, 30, or 50 seconds, or even a minute. So a delay can be a smart delay or a manual delay. What is a smart delay? Smart delay is a random delay. So you have, let's say, select medium smart delay or very short smart delay. So let's say if we select a medium smart delay, it means it will wait for 20 to 50 seconds. It can pick a random number, say 36, when sending to the first contact. It will wait for another 36 seconds before sending to second contact. Then it will pick another random number between 20 and 50, say 40, wait for 40 seconds, and then send to the next contact. This prevents sending all messages every 10 or 30 seconds. However, if you need to send message with a specific timing window, what you can do, you can select this manual option and choose the number of seconds which you want. Another very important factor for broadcasting is the size of contact you are sending the broadcast to. So in this filter here we have, you can filter the audience. For instance, you want to select only those contact who are tagged for, let's say, VIP client or loyal client or interested client. Why? Because if you're just starting with your broadcast, we recommend not sending to more than 100 or 200 people at once, especially if your WhatsApp number is new. Why? Because thousands of people create new WhatsApp account just for spam, and WhatsApp's algorithm can detect new numbers and automatically ban them if they send messages very quickly. However, if your number is not new and has been used for years, you are less likely to face this risk. But still, if you are starting broadcasting now, don't send messages to more than, let's say, 500 people at once. Start with 100. The next day you can do 100 more, and then 200, and gradually increase your audience size. For those with experience in sending broadcast, you might handle 1,000 or even 2,000 messages a day, but you should already have a solid base of contact that you know will not report your number as spam. If it's a new number you are broadcasting for the first time, we recommend sending 100 to 200 messages per day. So I, let's say I'm going to set, in this case, VIP client as the tag. So I have selected VIP client. What I can do, I can go and select one more tag, let's say loyal client. So I have now two tags selected. The next option which we have here is the set time, at what time you would like to send this broadcast. So click on here, you can select the date and time. So we can choose, let's say, for Sunday 13th October and select the timing, let's say 8 a.m. in the morning. So I'm going to select this time, confirm. And once you click on this start button, you would see your broadcast will come under active and scheduled broadcast. So in the broadcast section, you have this history tab here. You can see everything that has been sent. You can see at what time those broadcasts were sent, what was the flow that was attached, and also the status. If, for example, it failed for one contact and was success for another two. So all this information you can get under history tab. You can also duplicate, let's say, if you want to resend any of these broadcasts, you can click on these three dots and can also duplicate. So it will now come under your draft section. So what we have created in the history allow you to see what has been done without deleting the completed broadcast from the history. This lets you have full control over what's been sent in your company. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to us via help center and we would be happy to help you answer your questions. Thank you.